everybody. It's so good to see you. It's Miss McLean here, and today I'm going to teach you a super fun game that you can play with your family that's going to help you with your addition skills. It's called Addition Battle. To play this game, you need a regular deck of cards. It's okay if some cards are missing. And I need you to take out all of the aces and the jokers. For this game, each card is going to be worth the amount that's on the card. So a 2 is worth a 2. A 10 is worth a 10. But all of our faces, our face cards, are going to be worth 10. So how much is a king worth? 10. How much is a queen worth? 10. How much is a jack worth? You guessed it, 10. To play this game, you first need to shuffle. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, bum. Ooh, cut the deck in half. And shuffle. Player 1, and then you put your cards in the middle of the table. Player 1 takes 2 cards. How many cards? 2 cards. Player 2 takes 2 cards. Then each player flips their cards over and solves. Player 1 had a king and a queen. So we know that a face card is worth 10. We're going to say 10 plus 10 equals 20. And that's player 1's score. Player 2 had a king and a 2. So a king was worth 10. 10 plus 2 equals 10, 11, 12. 12. Who had the bigger number, 20 or 12? That's right, 20. So 20 is the winner, and they get to keep all the cards from the round. Next, you pull again. Player 1, 2 cards. Player 2, 2 cards. On a piece of paper, draw a line down the middle. One side is player 1, the other side is player 2. You can also have player 3 or player 4, player 5 or player 6, doesn't matter. You're battling out together, and the largest number wins. So let's see, player 1 has a 3 and a 4. Let's write that as a number sentence. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Player 2 has a jack and a queen. Face cards are worth how many? 10, that's right. So 10 plus 10 equals, let's count. 10, 20, 10 plus 10 equals 20. Who's got the higher number, 7 or 20? That's right, 20. And so player 2 gets to keep the cards from this round. You keep going until you had enough or to use every single card in the deck. The winner is the person at the end who has the most cards. Let me know how it goes. Talk to you soon.